All right. So exciting. I've been talking about making this video for over a year. When I stream, my brand is a Bacon Coffee House, and it came up one day when I actually took my smoker and smoked some coffee beans on bacon, and then did the whole process, and ended up making one hell of a tasty treat. So today I'll show you how to make bacon coffee. This is my first ever YouTube video like this, so bear with me. Most of it is filmed with my cell phone. Eventually I want to get more equipment and upgrade everything, but you start off with what you got. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and once again, welcome to the Bacon Coffee House. Let's go. Alright, welcome to the Bacon Coffee House. So today, I'm finally going to be doing it. I got bacon, coffee. We're going to match them together, and then I'll show you step by step what I do. Ingredient part of the video is going to be pretty easy. Shit ton of bacon, dark coffee. You want dark coffee because it's a little bit more oily, greasy. You want to make greasy coffee. So we'll get right to it. I'm going to start weaving the bacon, set everything on the plates, and then the smoker is almost ready. So we'll get started and enjoy. All right, that was it. That was the whole process of making the sweet bacon coffee. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, any comments would be great. This was my first video on YouTube like this. And I want to do one at least once a week. So if you guys got any ideas what you would like smoked in the smoker, with bacon, of course. Anything original. It's never been done before. I'll do it. I smoked rabbit before. I've done a lot of recipes with bacon. So yeah. And if you guys want to catch me, I am on Twitch Monday till Friday, 5 days a week, 9:30 Eastern. You can probably see the link somewhere around here and in the description. So thanks again, and yeah. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, the like. Any support would be great, and I hope to see you guys real soon. Stay safe.